My name's Jackie and I've got a stall in Pontypridd Market.
So how long have you been in Pontypridd Market for?
34 years.
And how have you found the last year?
Not too bad, yeah, fine.
Has there been, people still coming and buying
A lot
from...
of people are still coming and buying, and touch wood, hopefully we'll carry on, but like everything, they always say, we're going to stay with you. Once the supermarkets all open up, they go back, don't they? So,
So do you think that the work that's been done on the market to regenerate it has helped?
Oh, yeah, it's looking lovely, fair dues. I mean, like our stall here, the stall is lovely down that end, it's really nice.
So do you find it handy to have two stalls then?
Yeah, because we're only here temporary to begin with, but now at the moment we're on both sides because it just brings footfall into the market and everything else.
So is everything you look so fresh and lovely? Is there anything that's like really popular?
It's all the same, my husband goes to the market every morning, he's out the house by 5:30 and goes and buys fresh, especially like the veg and everything fresh every day. But those things that we try different things and sometimes they go and sometimes you just sit and you think they're going to go in the bin at the end of the week, so when you take the rest of the smooth,
Oh, good. And what's the name of the company, did you say?
It's called the Market Garden.